Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is shita. So let's get started. Meaning: under, down, below, vertical. This stroke. 1. Pronunciation. 訓読み。下、下、下、下、下がる、下がる、下る、下る、音読み、か、か、げ、げ。Stroke order. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3 tips for writing shita beautifully. Tip 1. Look at this vertical line. The upper part is shorter than the lower part. So not like this. It looks very short leg. This is a bird figure. Tip 2. This shape is equilateral triangle. So not like this, or not like this. This one is, here is too long and here is too short. And this one is, here is too short, here is too long. Both is not good balance. Okay. Tip 3. This step is about stroke movement. I think the beautiful character has movement. So this stroke is a little bit upright. This short stroke is downward. If you feel difficult to understand or write like this, just remember you do not write like this. Yeah, this is main stroke, so it should be energetic. So not downright, okay? A flat is better. The best is upright like this. Okay, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1, shita. Shita. Shita has many meanings. Under, down, below. I will introduce here under and down. So let's see at first under. 机の下に猫がいます。机の下に猫がいます。It means there is a cat under the table. 机の下に猫がいます。Alright? Second one is down. 下に行きますか？下に行きますか？ It means going down. So you can say this phrase when you're using elevator, right? 下に行きますか？Okay, number 2. 下げる。下げる。下げる also has many meanings. Bring down, lower, turn down. So I introduce turn down here. 温度を下げてもらってもいいですか？温度を下げてもらってもいいですか？It means Could you turn down the AC? Oh, it's hot here. 温度を下げてもらってもいいですか? Okay, number 3. 地下鉄地下鉄地下鉄 means subway. So, 地下鉄の駅はどこですか? 地下鉄の駅はどこですか? It means where is a subway station. 地下鉄の駅はどこですか? Alright, so that's all for today. See you next video.